I have a statement on behalf of the European Commission regarding Prime Minister Cameron's speech that covers, I believe, both parts of your questions. These are UK ideas, and they are part of the debate. They will have to be examined without drama and should be discussed calmly and carefully. It is up to national lawmakers to fight against abuses of the system, and the EU law allows for this. Anything else? Yes, please.
Just finished speaking, and that's why I'm asking: is this the statement you just read? Is it the final kind of comment on his speech, or will there be a more elaborate comment on a later stage?
This is the position of the European Commission's, the position of the European Commission on the speech delivered by Prime Minister Cameron today.
I've got a fairly simple sort of legal technical question and a political question. The simple legal technical question is, in the Commission's view as guardian of the treaties and an organisation with a large and wise legal service, is it discriminatory to deny in-work non-contributory benefits to EU migrants for a period of years when those benefits are automatic and immediate for UK citizens or for UK citizens? And on the wider politics, what's the Commission's view of David Cameron's speech today and the linkage with achieving his objectives and a possible yes or no vote in a referendum?
I have a statement on behalf of the European Commission regarding Prime Minister Cameron's speech that covers, I believe, both parts of your questions. These are UK ideas, and they are part of the debate. They will have to be examined without drama and should be discussed calmly and carefully. It is up to national lawmakers to fight against abuses of the system, and the EU law allows for this. Anything else? Yes, please.
Marguerite, you said the things that he said have to be examined before you comment further on. Do you have an idea when you will have them examined?
Well, this is the Commission reaction to a speech. So when the speech materializes into specific legal instruments that will have to seen and discussed, examined with the EU partners, that moment would come at a later stage. Yes, please, Marco.
Still on Kamaran, Marguerite, please. Does the European Commission reiterate the fact that the fundamental freedoms of circulation and blah, blah, blah are untouchable, and the rights which are attached to this are untouchable as well and fundamental for the European Union? Thank you.
President Juncker is on the record that the freedom of movement is a fundamental liberty enshrined in the treaties, but there are other aspects to it, like abuse of system, social security, which is not a community competence, and for which, indeed, Mr. Juncker emphasized in the past on many occasions and on the record that there are certain things that can be effectively discussed, analyzed, and with the partners. So this is the difference between the first leg and the second leg of your question. Yes, please. Anne.
Moi, je voudrais comprendre comment est-ce qu'on peut mener un dialogue calme, serein, tranquille, je ne sais plus tes termes exacts, avec quelqu'un qui menace de claquer la porte si on ne lui donne pas satisfaction.
Je ne peux pas ajouter autre chose à ce que j'ai dit, qu'il faut maintenant voir ces opinions, aborder ces opinions britanniques sans excessive dramatisation et voir qu'est-ce qu'il y a, comment on peut aborder ces questions entre partenaires. Claquer la porte, à mon avis, ce n'est pas exactement calmement et sans dramatisation. Il faut voir qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire sans claquer les portes. Excusez-moi, follow-up. Vas-y.
Juste, qui est chargé de ce dossier maintenant au sein de la Commission? Monsieur Cameron, il a un calendrier électoral assez serré. Est-ce que la Commission peut envisager des réformes avant les élections anglaises?
Au sein de la Commission, les questions abordées par le Premier ministre britannique sont partagées entre plusieurs commissaires. Il y a un volet Madame Jourova, un autre volet Madame Tyson, un autre volet Monsieur Avramopoulos, Monsieur Timmermans. Mais pour cette question, évidemment, le président suit ça de tout près et c'est lui qui est en contact permanent avec tous les leaders politiques, y compris le Premier ministre britannique.
Vous prenez le dialogue, mais j'ai l'impression jusqu'à maintenant c'est un peu le dialogue de sourds parce que vous dites que les États membres peuvent agir contre les abus, mais M. Cameron, si je comprends bien, il veut pouvoir différencier entre les travailleurs européens et britanniques. Est-ce que ça c'est compatible avec le droit européen? C'est ça la question.
J'ai couvert, ma déclaration couvre précisément cette question. Et quant à la durée du dialogue, il faut se rappeler que le discours du Premier ministre britannique a été prononcé il y a quelques minutes. Alors le dialogue commence effectivement à partir de ce moment.
Thank you, Margaritis. My question is rather technical one, or maybe you can take it as a general one as well. Can the family benefits restrict it to the host country or not? Because I think so. In the core of this, in this UK proposal, is that if you pay taxes actually as an employee, as a Polish employee, let's say in the UK, you are entitled actually to family benefits, but you can use only these benefits if your relatives are not in the UK, if it's not in Poland, but in the UK. So my question is whether the family benefits can be restricted according to EU law to the host country. Thank you.
I will not go into such detail today, but you are well aware that the European Court of Justice very recently had issued a decision on the issues that you raised, the Dano case, that sets quite well-defined parameters around the conditions of access to social security and family benefits. Yes, please.
Yes. Could you confirm that Mr. Cameron called Mr. Juncker yesterday to talk through these proposals? And if you can confirm that, could you tell us how long they spoke for and how you would characterize the discussions?
I can confirm that President Juncker is in permanent contact with all his colleagues, partners at the European Council, including Mr. Kamaran. Yes, please, follow up.
So it's being reported from Westminster that Downing Street is saying there was a specific conversation about these proposals with Mr. Juncker ahead of today. So I wondered if you could confirm that.
I can confirm a phone call, but I cannot confirm content because I was not with him all the time yesterday. Yes, Bruno.
The Commission filed a legal case, a legal challenge to the British so-called right to reside test in June this year, and that legal challenge is to how Britain operates something called child tax credit and child benefits. Can you tell us, given that the Commission has sort of filed legal arguments at the ECJ, what that case rests on, and are these benefits in the Commission's view similar to other tax credits?
As a general rule, I would not like to comment on cases that are sub judice, but we would certainly try to find one of our lawyers to brief you in more detail on the legal arguments of this specific case.